In this video, we'll turn this bare roof into a functioning ski roof rack. To start off this build, I went onto eBay and found the cheapest universal crossbar system that I could find. I put a link to these exact crossbars that I bought in the description. They were about $35 when I purchased them. After looking over the crossbars to figure out how they worked, I started putting the front bar onto the roof rails. I used a tape measure to ensure that I was evenly securing the bar on both sides of the rails. Once I had the front bar on, I then went ahead and secured the rear bar. These bars are locked onto the rails by key and end caps. Once unlocked, the end cap and bar pull out. This can be used to remove the inner end cap. Once the inner end cap is removed, the bar is inserted into the square cutout and twisted clockwise to tighten the clamping mechanism. Once tight, the inner end cap snaps onto the bar, and then the outer end cap is inserted into the square hole, aligned, and pressed into place. Once the end cap is locked, it cannot be removed without the key. This is a security feature so that the crossbars cannot be stolen from your car. I purchased a used Yakima ski rack from a local seller. The bars that I installed on my wagon are rectangular shaped, very similar to a Thule type bar. To attach my Yakima rack to Thule type bars, I bought these plastic adapters from eBay. The link for these are also in the description. They clip around the bars, and then the carrier bolts from the rack thread through the holes in the middle and tighten the adapters onto the bars.
That one's going to need to be...
I made sure to slide these adapters and the ski racks as close to the driver's side as possible. This way I could easily load and unload skis and snowboards from the rack. After locking the racks down to the bars and making sure that they were on there tight, the roof rack system was done. I've actually been using this roof rack for a couple of months now, and it has been awesome. I've had no problems bringing my skis and snowboards up to the mountain and back. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.